Children, take out your EVS classwork note. Now I just want to know yesterday's first question. John Matthew, birthday boy, read the first question what we wrote. John Matthew. Archant, where were you for maths class, Archant? I was calling out for you many times, Archant. And Anandit, where were you for maths class? Maths class? Yes, Archant, and you did not do some sums. We were just conducting tests for the children, those who did not appear for tests. Okay, now, okay, thank you. Now do this one. I don't know how to tell. Sanjeevan, turn off your mic, please. Now, take out your EVS classwork note. Jane, something is disturbing you. Okay, now, take out your EVS classwork note. John Matthew, where is he? Why, Cyrus, you're feeling very cold, huh? Now, come on, John. Please read that first question. See how long I'm waiting now. Everybody got EVS link to join? Yes, all are there. Yes. Take out your EVS classwork because they are in my class, no problem. All are there. 32 children, okay, and only 6 more. No. Now take out children. Children, now. Anandit, can you read the first question? Can you read the first question? Who are they? Arush, please come back to EVS class. No, somebody will inform them. Somebody will call. Yes, somebody will call. Arush and? No, John went just now. John, where are you? He was here. John and Arush, they are in EVS class. Now we send the link. EVS class only there. He is in English. Okay, now please, we will wait for both of them, children, 1 minute. Now, Alan, read the first question. Alan, read the first question. What you wrote in your classwork note? Yeah.
From where do we get water? We get water from rain, from lakes, streams, and seas.
Now listen, good. Now listen. It's not good. It's not that we are getting water from the seas and all that. Somebody asked that question the other day. That's why I'm telling is rainwater is collected in all these places. Okay, lakes, ponds, and different way we are using the water from this. Now, animals may go to the lake and drink water, streams, people go for picnic. John, where did you go, John?
Ma'am, I accidentally pressed go out of the meter.
Okay. Now you are there. Now only Arush Botra is out now because first they went to English link. Then ma'am changed it into EVS. Okay, just you have to see the timetable also. Okay, Ritik. Okay. John, read the first question and answer. Alan finished reading because I told him to. Yeah.
From where do we get water? We get water from rain, ponds, lakes, and seas.
Seas, streams, oceans, anywhere, because everything will be used for something or other, like ships, navigation, seas, then ocean, all that. Okay, and lakes, ponds, wells, and the main source of water is the rain. Now you can leave a line after the first answer. You can leave and write. First answer is already, we have written first answer. So don't do that again. Stream, reverse and cease. Okay. Now leave a line. After that, write second question. Second question. Leave a line. Write second question. Why should we boil water to drink? Children, you can, somebody is, Akilan. Please don't disturb Akilan. Turn off your mic. John, you too. John, not Akilan. John. Yeah, good. Akilan is not present. Now, why should we boil water to drink? Or why should we drink boiled water? All these questions, you can write your own answer for this question. Okay, now why should we boil water to drink? Another way of asking. Why should we drink boiled water? The same answer. Why should we drink boiled water? Now let me ask, who is the next child? Let me see, 1 minute. Yes, let me see. Don't feel that I'm not asking. Shaina, can you tell me, Shaina, why should we drink boiled water? You can make your own sentence.
Ma'am, if we have to drink boiled water to kill the germs.
Germs. So you won't fall sick. Okay. Now, Arush, are you there? Arush?
We should boil them. Then, if we don't boil them, we will get sick. So we should boil them daily.
Okay, very good. Arush, are you there? Because you were sitting in English class. Arush, are you there, Arush? No, he hasn't come. Boiling water kills the germs in the water. This helps us to stay away from falling sick. You can make your own sentence and write smaller ones, one sentence. Okay, it's up to you. You can use these two sentences and you can write your own. Leave a line. Arish Botra, why should we boil water to drink? Boiling water kills the germs in the water. You must explain like that. This helps us to stay away from falling sick. Or, why should we boil water? Boiling water, that that kills the germs. You have to say, kills the germs in the water. This helps us to stay away from falling sick. You can write your own sentence by using these two sentences. Even when you write for the test, you can write your own answers. Ma'am will give mark. Only thing, we don't see that much for the sentence, but the spelling should be correct. Boiling water kills the germs in the water. This helps us to stay away from falling sick. Because all won't be able to write your own answer, so this will help them. Otherwise, if we drink boiled water, we will not fall sick. That also you can write. If we drink boiled water, we will not fall sick. Yes. Sai Vasavi, when you finish writing, you have to tell ma'am I finished writing. Then I will go to the next one. Sai Vasavi.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Sai Vasavi, when you finish, you tell me, we'll go to the next one. Yes. Boil, germs, all these spellings you have to learn. I know it's quite difficult for small ones to learn, but you can write smaller sentences, but use the correct words. Yes, I. No. Yeah, ma'am will wait. Arush, are you there, Arush?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Arush, you went to English. The first ma'am put in a hurry. Sorry, Arush. Somebody else also was there. I don't know. Two children were sitting. Oh, John. Now, by mistake, he went. He came back. Okay, Arush. Are you able to write the second question? Leave one line and you start. Okay. Did you write, Arush? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished. Okay. What about Sai Vasavi, my helper? I told her when she finishes here, she has to tell me. Yes. Sai, did you complete? No. You can write your own sentences. If we drink boiled water, we will not fall sick. You can write like that also. Okay. Your own. Cyrus. Yes, Cyrus. Tell.
I finished, ma'am.
Very good. Now, I'm going to do the next one, children, because we must not waste time. Now, leave a line. Leave a line. Number 3. If no place, you can go to the next page. Don't write answer the following. Oh, this will take little time, extra time. Write any 3 ways to save water. You can write any 3 ways. But ma'am will help you to, like those who don't know how to write, ma'am will give you 3 ways. Others, please write. Don't write general answer, okay?
Ma'am, I know try the second one.
Who's this?
Akilan.
Akilan, you can go to the recording and do, Akilan. From morning, I was going on calling out for you. You didn't answer for maths class because you were supposed to answer for some test. Akilan can go to the recording. Okay. Now, the first, write any 3 ways to save water.
Ma'am, me too, ma'am.
Okay, you can. Who's that? Who's that? Okay, Tanvi also can go. Because if you're in class, no, you won't find it difficult to write. You can write. If ma'am has time, we will go back. Now leave space and write. Write any 3 ways to save water. Please write fast. You must know how to write fast. General answer, I mean by that, you can write your own because there will be many ways to save water in your mind. You can do it.
Right then.
Now, you just see whether this is the same answer you're going to write. Or you can write my answer, you can write your own answer. No problem. Turn off the tap when we are not using water. That's very, very important. You can save water in a very good way by doing this. Turn off the tap when we are not using water. Write your own because I will make you read these answers, general answers. I will make you read in class. Then I can give you mark. Those who don't know, no problem, you can write. Turn off the tap when we are not using water. Yes, those are, leave a line. Use a mug and bucket when you bathe. It's always advisable for you to do this. Instead of using shower, I told you, I'm not telling you not to use the shower, but when you apply soap, you just turn off the shower. Okay, you must not turn on. Use a mug and bucket when you bathe. Use a mug and bucket when you bathe. Even the water what you use to wash vegetables and all, you can just collect and keep it in a bucket so that you can just water the plants. Okay, you can water the plants. That's not dirty water. You can collect rainwater in a bucket. You can use it for washing your car. Same thing, water the plants. Okay. But you must keep it in a proper place to collect it. Then you can use it for drinking too. See, I told you. Collect rainwater in a bucket. Collect rainwater in a bucket. Collect rainwater in a bucket. COLLECT. Rainwater. Collect rainwater in a bucket. As I told you, those who want to write your own answers, please write. You're most welcome. You can write your own answers. Turn off the tap. Now I'll make. Sanjit, can you read these three answers? By the time others must complete. You're answering very well, but you're very bad in. Right, please turn off the tap when we are not using water. And I want Sanjit to read. Sanjit. Hey. Mithilesh is 1 minute. Cyrus, wait. Mithilesh, are you there? Mithilesh now? I can see Mithilesh. Mithilesh. Mithilesh came. Mithilesh, where were you, Mithilesh, in the morning? Mithilesh, your mother is next to you. Mithilesh, Sanjit. Mithilesh and Sanjit. Ma'am, I was calling out for these children in the morning for the internal marks, ma'am. They were not there, Mithilesh, for maths. Where was he in the morning? Ma'am, they haven't got any mark for the internal. Only the assignment they will do. Yes, what happened, Mithilesh?
I ate only cast at 10, ma'am.
See that now, what to do like. Now listen, I just want you to, if you want internal 60 marks, you have to attend the class daily. Because you're not answering, you're not there to answer. Now Sanjit, where were you in the morning? You were there.
Yes, ma'am.
When I call you, have to come, Sanjit, please. Mithilesh was not. Mithilesh, turn on your camera, please. Because I forgot your face. I just want to see. Sanjit, are you there? Are you with your mother over here? Because okay, you were with grandmother. I told you, you have to attend the class regularly. That's what I'm asking you. Mithilesh, what happened to your camera?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Mithilesh, now what to do? I don't know. Please attend all the classes because internal marks, I have to ask you questions on the spot and you have to answer, not only the assignment. Okay, Sanjit, can you read these three?
Right.
1 minute. Tanvi and Mithilesh, turn off your mic. 1 minute. Yes. Read the first one.
Ma'am.
Who's this now?
Tanvi, ma'am.
Tanvi, please, Tanvi. Every time you're just, what do you want now?
Ma'am, I didn't know the C.
Didn't write,
Ma'am.
did not write which one?
The C one, ma'am.
You write now. It's there.
Okay, ma'am.
It's there. Why you want to? Because I want other children to complete the work. I'm asking some children, a few children to read. You have to complete. You all are just playing in class, going and coming, going and coming. I have to inform in the office because I find it very difficult now. I'm giving you time to write. By the time other children will read, so they will learn reading also. Simply going on, turning on the camera, turning off the camera, going off, then the mic. Please be attentive, children. Only 2 hours in the morning, all 3 classes. Okay, Sanjit, read the first one. Turn off the tap.
Turn off the tap
When we are
not using water.
very good. Next one.
Use a mug and bucket when you bath.
Bathed. Bath is 1 minute. All of you listen. Bath is only B-A-T-H. Bathe is B-A-T-H-E. Bath, bathe, bathing. Must not say bathing. I-N-G. Okay, good. Next one.
Collect rainwater in a bucket.
Yeah, very good. Now, hope all would have finished. Sanjit, did you write all these 3 answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, another important thing we are going to learn. Just look at the screen. Just look. Close your notebook now. You will get a drawing after this. Now, see forms of water. This is ice, solid form of water. You keep ice for so many things. For the juice, you will put to keep non-veg items without getting spoiled. You will just keep it in a freezer. There also will be ice cubes. Even the freezer, no need of keeping ice cube, but in a box of thermocol, you keep this ice, solid form of water. Okay. Now see, you ask your parents how to get ice cubes by keeping water in the freezer. Next one, water, liquid form. You can just pour water. Water, just to see only, okay, children? Just to see. Water. Next one. Water vapor. See, when you boil water, water vapor comes out. See, when you boil, when your mother cooks rice, you can go see, even in the cooker, you keep something, the water vapor will come out. Okay, gas, form of gas. See now, this is very interesting. Journey of a water drop. Children, please listen carefully. This is very important because you have to draw this in a new page for a homework. You can continue from the classwork. You just see. Sun is up over there. See the lovely water down. Due to the heat of the sun, the water goes, water vapor, see there? Up. And it's collected there. See the raindrop? So this. You have to draw exactly like this. You can take out your notebook and draw like this. See the sun, journey of a water drop is the heading. Now wait, children, I will tell you. See here. 1 minute, 1 minute. Wait now, don't do it. With the heat of, this is the explanation. Don't do it now. Please look at the screen. With the heat of the sun, water from the seas, rivers, lakes and ponds evaporates and forms water vapor. You no need to read, I will tell you. This water vapor mixes with the cool air and forms tiny drops of water, as you saw. These water drops come together to form clouds. Only the explanation. No need to write. When the water in the clouds become big and heavy, they won't be able to stay there. They burst and fall on the earth, to the earth as rain. You saw the tiny drops. The rainwater goes into the seas. Again, it's coming to the seas, rivers, lakes, and ponds. This process goes on repeating. Again, it will go up. It's known as the water cycle. See, children, this is very important. You know the explanation. You can take a new page. 1 minute, 1 minute. Please write the heading. Please write the heading. Children, slowly. You can do it as a homework. Only Saturday, Sunday. Now write the heading alone. Don't think it's too much for you. Write the heading. What is Jane doing? Who will write for you, Jane, in your classwork note? Jane, where's your classwork note? Open. Take a new page. Write the heading. You can go back to the recording and do everything, but you just start. Children, don't think it's very difficult. You can enjoy. Don't do it now. You can enjoy doing it. You know, you just can do it rough work now. Don't do it now because I will ask you this picture for the class work next week. Coming Wednesday, I will ask you to show this and all will get marked for the class work. Now write the heading, Journey of a Water Drop. See how it's drawn, sun on one corner. So nice. See the sea, coloring should be pakka, not everywhere. See the white border, see the blue one, see the water drop, clouds, see the clouds. See the clouds this side? Now it's quite difficult. You can just watch and it's beautiful.
Ma'am, the heading also, ma'am.
Kailina, please don't disturb Kailina. Right?
Ma'am, I didn't write the heading.
Yes, you wait. This is the heading. Please write the journey of a water drop. And please write that heading in a new page. Other things you can keep in your mind, rough work. You can have whatever. You can write, you can draw your road from any of the books. No need that square, only do these drops, okay? Now, when I go to the next one, heading will go. Did you write journey of a water drop, everybody? Journey, that's a travel of a water drop. Yeah, good. Now see there. See, when I go to the next, that's getting cut. So do this. Just afterwards you can do, children. Slowly you can do. I want to show you the full picture. That's all. This is the picture. Okay. 11:30. Okay, children. Now I think you know this, but you can start half of the page just below the water level. See there, the sea. And you have to read, okay, how this process takes place. Repeating this again. That's what you see, the clouds. The cloud, when it's heavy, it will burst, crack. And you will get rain. Heavy rain you had last 3 days. Journey of a water drop. It's very nice. You have to do it in your classwork note. Wednesday. That is after Diwali, all that at 18th of this month, November 18th. I will not tell you again and again. I will ask everybody to show this picture. You will get marked for the classwork in your classwork note. With the date, write today's date, 11/11. 1 week I'm giving you, 1 week. Already now time is up. Yes, Yes, children. Thank you. Wait, John. John, once again, I wish you many, many happy returns of the day. And see, Tridip is closing one of his eyes. Okay, John, enjoy yourself. Tanvi, you can go to the Tanvi. You were very good first. Now, John, have a nice day, John. Nowadays, Tanvi is not attending the class. So,
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
okay, fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tanvi,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
bye,
ma'am.
bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.